A seller that doesn't like somebody can flag anyone they wish.
What?
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you're probably wondering, am I banned or not? I just bought this product a few days ago. You saw my video review of this. And if I want to click on this to create a review, I get this message. Now, I called earlier today on Amazon, and probably many of you may have received this message when you're trying to do this, and you're probably very confused. And it states I have a relationship with the seller, and that's incorrect. Amazon did not flag this at all. I called today, and they said, no, that wasn't us. So wait a minute. So that means anybody who doesn't like someone, a seller that doesn't like somebody, can flag anyone they wish.
What you talking about?
So if you receive this message, probably 95% of the time, you're not in trouble. Someone has flagged your content to be unacceptable. So you need to give them a call and make sure that you get this fixed. This is the 6th time this has happened, and Amazon is actually focusing on my account right now and monitoring it. So if this happens again, they're going to know who actually is doing this, and they're going to ban their account. So they're getting a little frustrated, just like I am, and I'm not doing anything wrong. So you need to give Amazon a call and get this reinstated, because if you look at some of my other reviews, as soon as I did this review, I got flagged and I had zero everything. Everything was taken away. I called Amazon a couple of days ago. They said, no, it wasn't us. And I go, what do you mean? How can it be not you?
What?
So other people have control over my Amazon account and what I could write a review about? And they said yes. So a seller can actually flag your account.
What the f?
And you're done. Apparently 95% of the time it's not Amazon. So it'll be a blank screen. The 800 number will be right here. If you see that message, call that number below and get your account reinstated, because the chances of you actually getting banned are probably slim to none, and you could probably get your account reinstated. So this is information that has been, working, and Amazon will. And they will actually, they're in the process, they're monitoring my account. So if my account gets banned again or a couple more times, they're going to know who it is, and then they're going to, get to the bottom of it. So I thank Amazon for trying their hardest to get this resolved, because I'm sure they're getting sick of me calling every time. And many people are noticing in the system how many times I call. So now they're, this is the end of it. So I'm hoping that this will stop this person from banning my account or putting a flag out there, and we'll get to the bottom of it. And so anyway, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.